Every year, almost 80 lakh students appear in different competitive exams, but only a handful of them are able to make it. Even the brightest of the students find it really difficult to crack these exams. The reason? While preparing for a competitive exam, an exam aspirant is not mainly sure of two key WH words: what and how. Here, what stands for what questions to focus on, and how stands for how to be faster at solving the questions which are important but are skipped by others. So, do we have a tool that not only tells us what questions to focus on but also provide short tricks to solve those specific questions more quickly than others? Yes, we do. We are the solution. We are स्मार्ट कीड़ा. हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम आकाश है और आज मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूँ कि कैसे स्मार्ट कीड़ा आपकी टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन जर्नी को और स्मार्ट बनाता है. फर्स्ट, इट ब्रिंग्स टू यू द सेट ऑफ मोस्ट रेलेवेंट चैप्टर्स एंड क्वेश्चंस एज पर योर एग्जाम सिलेक्शन. मान लेते हैं कि आप SSC 10+2 एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, पर क्या आपको पता है कि SSC 10+2 एग्ज़ाम के 4 सेक्शंस में से कौन सेक्शन के ऐसे कौन से चैप्टर्स हैं जिन पर आपको सच में मेहनत करने की ज़रूरत है? स्मार्ट कीड़ा आपको ये जानकारी सिर्फ एक क्लिक पर देता है. आप देख सकते हैं कि ये कुछ चैप्टर्स हैं जिनके SSC 10+2 में आने की संभावना 70% से भी ज़्यादा है. वहीं दूसरी तरफ ये कुछ और चैप्टर्स हैं जिनके आपके एग्ज़ाम में आने की संभावना न के बराबर है. लेट्स मूव अहेड अ बिट मोर. इस स्लाइड पर आप परसेंटेज चैप्टर के 2 क्वेश्चंस देख पा रहे हैं, जहां पहले क्वेश्चन की आपके एग्ज़ाम में आने की संभावना 47.5% है. वहीं अगर दूसरे क्वेश्चन की बात की जाए तो इस क्वेश्चन के आपके एग्ज़ाम में आने की संभावना मात्र 5% है. तो दोस्तों, स्मार्ट कीड़ा के स्मार्ट एनालिटिक्स के थ्रू आप क्लियरली समझ सकते हैं कि आपको किन क्वेश्चंस को प्रैक्टिस करना है और किन क्वेश्चंस को ड्रॉप करना है. नाउ you have got the chapters to focus on, you have even got the questions to focus on. Now, can we solve these specific questions more quickly than others? Yes, we can. Have a look.
Hello friends. To solve such question in which production in an industry decreases by some percent and to restore the original production, we are asked by what percent should the efficiency or working hours be increased. Before applying the shortcut approach, we must note here that we need to move from a decrease percent to an increase percent. Now let's note down the decrease percent, which is given as 20%. We can write it in fraction as 20 upon 100, which is equal to 1 upon 5. Now, as we need to find here by what percent should the working hours be increased, we just need to subtract 1 from the denominator part, and that will be 1 upon 5 minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 4. We subtracted 1 from the denominator part because the value of fraction is getting increased here. As in the question, we are required to find the increased working hours. Now, the increased working hours in percentage is equal to 1 by 4 into 100, which is equal to 25%, which is our required answer. Wasn't it simple?
So friends, you can see here how we at Smart Kida provide our users with smart video solutions to the trickiest of the problems, and this way you can enhance the probability of your selection a great deal. So what are you waiting for? Go premium at Smart Kida today and gain access to these awesome features for as little as 49 rupees a month, and that's even less than you pay for your daily newspaper. So keep learning and have a great time.